Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key and volume up at the same time for about a second like this. I mean volume down and power key, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and the screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery here in the screenshots folder, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.